Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Mystic Vibes Crystal. This is Shweta. Today, we will quickly do a general energy reading for us. I'm doing it back to back because I got some requests, as well as I think it's more important to know what is going on, and there may be a chances that you will not be able to detect the energy, or you will be in a confused state of mind, and you will there may be a guilt or regret that's been working with you, which is not actually correct, but that's just the state of your mind that you have. Okay, so we have Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords is that what I'm getting is deception kind of energy. What like there are some betrayals, not as like kind of betrayal in a relationship or something like that. It is somewhat that what needs to be done, and there are multiple situations going on, but you are picking up the situation according to your resources. Whatever resources you have, you are acting accordingly. So we have Two of Wands. Your uh, path, whatever path you are choosing, you are having a clarity over that. But this is something that you are slowing down. So this is a Hangman. So you are not able to process the energy. See, what I got is the Sun card. The Okay, the Chariot, and Four of Swords. Okay, Queen of Pentacles, Strength card, good, very nice, and Three of Cups. So this is something you are into which is not yours. You are overburdened, you are burned out. Release whatever you are. Actually, you are taking a lot of burden, you are taking a lot of energy which is not yours. See, you have the clarity. Whatever you have to do, wherever you want to dive into, whatever your plans are, you have the clarity. You know what next to be done, but somehow the other energies which is not yours, or you are surrounded by the people, you are constantly taking, and you are burning out. There's a Sun card over there. It's a positive card. Chariot, you know what's next to be done. As I said, the success, the victory is yours. No one can take you down, because as the solar eclipse, we all know solar eclipse is a new beginning. Jupiter Uranus conjunction, that is about to happen, which is it's for like after 12 years it is happening. So it will be a big change for you. Don't let yourself down, and don't take the burden which is not yours. Release your burden, because this burden is not yours. You are constantly fighting for something else which you are nowhere related to it, but the surrounding of your the wherever you are staying, or the people around you, is somehow creating or giving you unnecessary stress or unnecessary burden, which you need to release. So you are resting, deep resting. This is Four of Swords. You are resting. This, you can see the nest, and you are resting. So deep rest, why it's needed? You need to release the energy which is not yours. That is as simple as that. You are gathering yourself. You got the Strength card because you know there is no problem with you, but Be very careful whom you date. Be very careful whom you are dealing with in terms of relationship, because do not serve the plate with everything, and do not, after eating the food, do not take the plate from them and clean it by yourself. What I hope you understand what I mean to say. Right. So you have the abundance, you have the celebration, you have the friendship. A new connection could be there coming in. See what is the bottom of the deck. So bottom of the deck is Seven of Pentacles. So it's bottom of the deck. When it is Seven of Pentacles, you are getting the seeds that you have planted, you rooted, you are about to get the fruits. So we can clarify what is it that is creating unnecessary. Lover card. Lover card is not always the relationship, it can be partnership as well. Somebody dealing with the business thing, and others, you need to be cautious, because if your partner is too much dependent on you and everything that he is pushing towards you, at a certain point of time you will feel the stress, you will feel heavy, and if you are not able to release that energy, the plans or whatever you have, the sure shot goal where you want to reach, that will be disturbed. So that will be totally your call, whether you want to take that energy and move forward, or you want to leave that energy and let it go and make things happen according to you. Next is the Three of Pentacles. So look at the image. See. Help is arriving. Six of Swords. So you will be getting the universal help, because as we all know, Mercury is retrograde. This is the last phase, maybe 24 till 24th the retrograde mode is on, and then Mercury will be direct. So help is arriving, help will be on, so you don't worry, but you need to take a wise action. Ace of Wands. Trust your intuition, trust the process, be very bold, be very brave. I'm so sorry that this video is a bit longer, because I wanted to talk the serious energy. Okay, so this is what I gathered from the cards today. Just be very cautious, focus about your goal, focus on your goal, focus on your whatever plans you have, work on yourself, and let the energy go which is not serving you. Take care. Bye bye.